Okay, so this is the A minor. We're going to give these strings names. So E, A, D, G, B, E. Whoop. E, A, D, G, B, E. Okay. The A minor is a chord. We're going to be using 3 of our fingers to be pushing down in these spaces and playing all the strings to get a sound. So we're going to start with nothing on the top string. We're not going to press anything. Next string, we're not going to press anything. Zap finger, middle finger, second finger in the second space here. So first, second, third. Second, below that ring, second space. First finger, first space. And then open on the bottom. So again, nothing on the top. One down, nothing. Second space with your middle finger, second space with the ring, and then first finger, first space on the second string from the bottom. That's your B string. So nothing, nothing, second, second, first with your first finger. If you can, mute the top, because you don't want the top string droning over everything. So just mute the top. That's your A minor. So again, 0, 0, 2, second space, 2, 1, and then 0 at the bottom. All from the bottom, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0. That's your A minor. Now to get to the C, it's quite easy. We just take this finger, the ring finger from the A minor, and put it up there. Mute the top if you can. If you don't mute the top, we're just trying to stop it slightly with the bit of your finger there. So the A minor was there, one finger moves, that's a C. If you can't mute it, just play from the A string, E, A, D, G, B, E, so the A string. If you can mute, just mute and then you can strum everything. So that's your A minor, move one finger, C major or C, and then you can just play around with it, or hold it for one each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, pretty easy. One finger moves, move it back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to go through it again. A minor, nothing, nothing, middle finger to excuse me, middle finger to second space, ring to second space, index finger, first finger to first space, open on the bottom, A minor, move one finger, C, A minor, C, first space, second, third, fourth, and so on.